Hello, in this video I want to share with you some hidden Chrome features that have kept me organized and have increased my productivity. If you are anything like me, you probably have at least 15 tabs open in Google Chrome at all times. Have you ever accidentally closed out of a tab and got frustrated because you can't remember all the clicks it took to get to a specific section of a website? Well, not to worry. If you accidentally close out of a tab like this one, navigate to the top of the browser, and over to the right of the new tab icon, there is a blank space. Right-click and select Reopen Closed Tab. 2 clicks and I was able to retrieve my closed tab. To prevent myself from accidentally closing out of important tabs, I like to pin tabs. To do this, select the tab that you would like to pin, right-click, and select Pin. You'll notice that Chrome has moved my Pin tab all the way to the left, and when I click on the Pin tab, there isn't an option to close out of it. You can pin as many tabs as you would like. Simply right-click, select Pin, and you can reorder your pin tabs in a way that makes sense to you. If you want to unpin a tab, right-click on the Pin tab and select Unpin. Chrome also gives its users the option to group tabs. Although this is something I personally don't use, it's still worth mentioning. To group tabs, right-click on a tab that you would like to group, select Add Tab to New Group, name your group, select a color, hit Enter. You can add as many tabs to a group as you would like. Simply right-click on the tab, select Add Tab to Group, and select the name of the group. And you can reorder the tabs within a group. And the idea is that when you click on the name of the group, all of the tabs are tucked behind the name, and it gives you a nice clean workspace. To access all of the tabs within a group, simply click on the name of the group and they reappear. You can also remove tabs from a group. Simply right-click on the tab and remove from group. And you can also remove the entire group by right-clicking on the name of the group and selecting Ungroup. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.